Okay, today is September 10th, 2024. I am cooking a chicken fried rice right now. Okay, you can see it. Alright, this is chicken fried rice. Alright, it's not done yet. I don't have all the ingredients yet. Okay, I added additional soy sauce and oyster sauce with this. Okay, it's almost done. I'm putting it in a high heat so it's like a sauteed fried rice. Okay. Okay. I completed adding the all the ingredients. So let me see if I can taste it. All right, all the ingredients are on. Whew. Okay. Okay, once again, this is my sauteed chicken fried rice. Okay, sauteed chicken fried rice. All right.